Hey guys, welcome back to my Infinite Painter tutorial. Today we'll draw this beautiful glowing moon. I hope you like it. First we'll fill this color for the background layer. Create a layer on the top for the moon, and draw a circle. Then erase the extra part. Create a clip layer, and add some glow around the edges and saturated color in the middle. Create a layer on the top again, and draw plants like these on it. Use Monoline brush to erase the base. Create a clip layer, and add shadows and highlights. Create a layer below for some extra details on the top. Apply same steps to this one also. Use the selection tool to adjust its position. Don't forget to select layers related to this before moving it, or you can just merge them before adjusting it. Use the selection tool again to duplicate one of them. Tap on this icon to flip it, and drag this layer below the original layer. Then erase it from here so it doesn't look similar. Create a layer below the moon layer, and draw one more plant using the same steps. Create a layer on the top and draw a doll or a character here. Draw all its parts on a separate layers to add highlights to it. To add highlights, enable the alpha lock before you start or it'll mess up everything. Add eyes on the face. After you're done, merge all the layers related to the doll. Create a layer on the top, draw a glowing tiny little dragon fly on it. Create a layer below it to add some extra glow to it. Then merge it. Create a layer on the top, and draw some clouds. Create a clip layer and add details on it also. Use the selection tool to adjust it. I'm merging all these layers to clear out the layer section a little. Select the background layer and use the gradient tool. Select the radial option and fill the highlighted colors on it. Use the darker one around the edges. Create a new layer above, and use the grid tool here to add some extra stuff in the background. Add some extra glow to the moon. Add some glowing particles around it. Create a layer below and add some moonlight to the floor or ground. Add more glow in the middle. Drag the layer above below this layer. Create a layer above the background layer and add some lighter colors to it. Create a layer on the top, and draw bigger glowing particles. Use the selection tool to resize it and duplicate it. Tap here to create more duplicates. After you're done, merge the duplicate layer to the original one. Erase it partially around the edges, and change this layer type to color dodge. That's it, it's done. Thanks for watching. If it helped, then like the video, and subscribe for more videos like this. You can also follow me on Instagram, links in the description.